Synopsis. The following text, written and narrated by Jasper Jai, conveys a sense of longing and pursuit for an elusive, desirable figure referred to as her. It suggests that nearly everyone on Earth is searching for her, emphasizing the universal nature of this quest, transcending language, race, and ability. The text describes her as a figure who can take on various forms, much like water, and is difficult to define. People pursue her passionately, often resorting to negative habits and intentions in their pursuit. Despite her elusive nature, the text portrays her as a pure and heavenly being, but one that is difficult to attain. The speaker expresses a personal longing for her and asks where she resides, speculating whether she can be found in women or money. The text invites a conversation about her, indicating the speaker's deep interest and sense of desperation in their quest. Overall, the text appears to explore the universal human pursuit of an ideal or desire that is often difficult to grasp or define. It touches on themes of longing, sacrifice, and the challenges associated with seeking this elusive her. And now here is the official text narrated by its author Jasper Jai.
Part 1. The ambiguity of happiness and disillusions. I'm pretty sure everyone on this dead ball of mud and water we call home, Earth, is looking for her. I'm most certainly looking for her. Sometimes she comes and I wish she never lives, and more often than not, the thought of her living indeed makes her live. She has many names, comes in different shapes and forms, but nevertheless, we are looking for her. No matter what language you speak, what color your skin is, or how gifted you are, I'm certainly positive that you're looking for her too. Her anatomy is like water. She effortlessly adapts into any shape or form like a shapeshifter. Needless to say, she does not have one description, or universal one for that matter, though we are looking for her. The pursuit of her has led men astray in the direction of ill habits and intentions, just to hold but a grasp of her. She means well, she is pure, bright white, and heavenly, yet to attain her, to reach her, many travel through dark roads, only to have but a few fleeting moments of her audience, then she is gone. I've been looking for you my whole life, where you reside. Is it in a woman? Is it in money? Tell me something. I'm losing my mind. Let's talk about her.
It was at this moment that corner Jasper Jazzy Jai finally realized that it is crucial to be alone for one to know oneself, and he learned to embrace uncertainty and the quirky little mistakes that happen and learn to express and take them as the art of life. The end.